Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code Canvas. In previous video, we learned about focus visible CSS pseudo class with few examples. In this video, we will see the similar CSS pseudo class called focus within. So the focus within pseudo selector is little bit special CSS pseudo selector class which selects the element that contains any children that have focus. So why I said it is unusual or special because it's not common in CSS to be able to select a parent element based on the existence of child elements. Let me show you with an example. Let's say we have one form, right? And in form we have one input element. Let's say text. Text element is there, and in form you can say action is equal to hash. So when the input is in focus, this element it in focus, this form will be selected using focus within CSS pseudo selector. So let's see. I have one form. Let me just remove this display none so you can see the form. In that form, we have one header element for this heading, then label and input fields, email ID, and few other elements. So this is the form, the regular form. Okay, I have written some CSS to style the form, but that is not important here. So when you select an input field here within this form will get selected. This form will get the focus. So let's see how you can write CSS for that. You can write form, we select the form, and in form you can select a div and focus within, and let's say give not color, let's give background some color. So, let it reload. So as you can see, when you reload the page, that CSS is not getting applied. But when you focus in an element, in an input field, it will apply focus within div and it will apply background color red. So as you can see, this is the focus within CSS which we can use here, right? So whenever the case is like whenever you want to apply or you want to highlight the form when some user is clicking into the input, then you can use this CSS focus within. The same form you can use form, and in form you can use focus within, and let's say give background to yellow green for example, and let's see how it works. So whenever you can add the CSS like form focus within, just reload it, and when you click here in the form, nothing will happen. But when you focus within an element, the form, this background yellow green will apply to the complete form, right? And form and div. Then, as you can see, the background colors is red here, right? So you need to note here that focus within on is used the entire form and on interior input wrapping divs. So a child element can become focused will trigger focus within CSS. For example, if an element has tab index or content editable attribute, then it is a focusable element and focus within CSS will work on that as well. It also doesn't matter how the element become focused. You could be click or tab, or you can use JavaScript as well. Whenever you can use, like, let me show you with an example. In the JavaScript, you can write like document dot query selector and input dot focus. So whenever you are using focus for any input field, using JavaScript as well, or using user clicked, the focus within CSS will apply. When you say about the browser support, except IE, Internet Explorer, this property is supported by almost all the latest browsers. So you can use it whenever required. And it is very useful to make a user interactive UIs and screens. So that's all for this focus within CSS pseudo selector. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel to see more related videos on CSS, JavaScript, HTML and more. That's all for this video. See you soon. Thank you.